My name is Akul. My character name is Birbal. Hi, my name is Vijay. My character name is Akbar. Birbal make me a painting and use imagination in it. But Huzur, how can I possibly paint? If I do not get a good painting in a week, you shall be sent away from this land. Huzur, here is the painting. What is this? Huzur, it's a cow eating grass. Where is the cow? I have used my imagination. The cow ate the grass, went away. Now understand that I cannot make someone a painter. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.